Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of Jubilee Hills International Center Hyderabad versus Income Tax Officer. This case is reported in 457 ITR at page number 70. The matter has been decided by Telangana High Court and the date of the judgment is 4th January 2023. This case is related to the assessment year 2001-2, and in this case the principle of mutuality, which is based on the theory that no one can make the profit from himself, was discussed in length. In this case, the club was the assessee and it was a recreational club. During the assessment year, the assessee received various amounts from the members who were the life members, who were the permanent members of the club, and this is a general practice that in the club, when the members go, sometimes their guests, their relatives, their friends also accompany them. The club takes some guest fees and both members and non-members enjoy the facilities of the club. But the facilities which are available to the members are not available to the non-members. They can go in the club only with the members. Generally, this is the concept. So basically, the facilities of the club is for the members. During the relevant assessment year, when the assessment was going on, it was the point of the learned assessing officer that the assessee, that is the club, has received various amounts from non-members, non-life members, honorarium members, temporary members. So whatever the amount which has been received by the club from other than members, that income should be taken into the 5 heads of the income according to the nature of the income. This was the point of the assessing officer. That is why he made the addition for those amounts which was received from the non-members. CIT appeal and ITAT also upheld the order of the learned assessing officer. The matter was before the High Court. In this case, the High Court said that 3 years back from the relevant assessment year and 2 years ahead from the relevant assessment year, the department has accepted the submissions of the assessee and has not denied the benefit of principle of mutuality. Although the court said that the principle of res judicata does not apply to the proceedings of the Income Tax Act, yet if there is no material change in the facts and circumstances of the case, the assessing authorities cannot take a different and contradictory view. So, when the assessee has been given the benefit of mutuality in the previous 3 assessment years and in the next 2 assessment years, so the assessee should also be given the benefit of mutuality in this case also. So, on the basis of the consistency, the High Court gave the relief to the assessee. Apart from that, the court said that although some amounts were received from non-permanent members, non-life members, honorarium members, temporary members, but they do not have any right to give the vote in the selection of the office bearers of the club, nor they are entitled to contest the election of the office bearers, and they are not entitled in the surplus of the club which is left thereof. They are not beneficiaries. So, by taking the concept of principle of mutuality, which is based on the theory that no profit can be earned by himself, and the court said that there is commonality of the contributors and participants which are beneficiaries, and the court also said that if any surplus is there in the club, then it does not constitute income, and that is only for meeting out the eventualities which may arise in the case of the assessee. So the court was of the opinion that based on the principle of mutuality and principle of consistency, the assessee should be given the benefit of principle of mutuality in this case also. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Jubilee Hills International Center, Hyderabad versus Income Tax Officer. And this case has been reported in 457 ITR at page number 70. The matter has been decided by Telangana High Court and the date of the judgment is 4th January 2023. Thank you, friends.